Hi, my name is Mike Maroney. I'm coming to you today from the Monex Precious Metals studio. It's Tuesday, August 7th. And the question today is, has the precious metals market put in a bottom?
This is your Monex Metals Market Update with Mike Maroney.
Let's take a look at both gold and silver. Gold hit a low on Friday of 1208. The key support level, not only technically but psychologically, sits down between 1180 and 1200. And one of the things that we've seen recently is a strong buildup in spec short positions. And when you look at a situation like that, and if you understand the overall trade, you know that when the specs are short, it's not as if they plan on delivering metal against those shorts. They inevitably plan on buying back gold at what they hope will be a lower price. Now, the interesting thing about a short position is that it really is just a promise to purchase at a later date. And the question is, where would the price have to go in order to shake loose these shorts as far as the upside is concerned? Most people believe that area of resistance sits right between 1248 and 1255. Now, we've gone back up there and tested it last week, couldn't get through. Now we're in the process of backing and filling, and we may get an opportunity to see that 1200 level tested. In the silver market, if you've watched silver over the last 10 years, the lowest price that we saw was 1380. So if you add 10% onto that 1380 low, it basically comes out to 1518. The low of the year so far was 1515. So we're literally 10% above the decade low. And every time we've seen silver dip below 1525, we've seen strong physical offtake. So what does this mean? Obviously, if silver breaks below that 1515 low, maybe we'll get really lucky and see the market pull back as low as 1475, 1480, because there's a lot of buy orders down in that general vicinity. But the bottom line right now, based on the activity in the currencies and based on the activity in the precious metals markets, is that precious metals may be putting in a bottom. Things to watch: the dollar's recent high, 95.65. If the dollar were to break above that level, there's a good chance we'll see it tick above 96, and that should give us an opportunity to see gold at least test 1200 and silver potentially retest the recent low. If the dollar fails to break above that 95.65 and inevitably takes out 94.35, then look out, we could be ready to get a major move back to the upside. There's a lot of volatile situations developing around the world. We obviously have the trade war. We have what's happening in Turkey as their currency is devaluing precipitously as it lost almost 3% overnight. We have the situation in Italy based on their debt situation, and it looks like they could end up being the next Greece. And how will the population of that country deal with this situation? Things could become extremely volatile over in Europe, especially when you consider the risk as far as the Italian banks are concerned. One thing is for certain, there is a sovereign debt crisis developing. The question is it ready to really come to the forefront now or later out on the horizon? But based on the current position of metals, based on everything that's happened over the last 10 years, doesn't it make sense to give us a call here at Monex and find out if trading and owning precious metals makes sense for your individual portfolio? Give us a call today. Thank you.